Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop in here super quick to share with you the new subscription. It goes live this Wednesday, February 1st at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, and it's a little bit different than how we've done subscriptions in the past, so that's kind of why I wanted to pop in here real quick. I have a full reveal of everything. We have 3 different formats: vertical, journaling, and Hobonichi Cousin, which I feel like are the most different ones in the shop, and that's why I wanted to include those. We've got quarter sheets, we've got die cuts, and of course we have washi tape. So I'm gonna go ahead, flip you guys over and show you, but let me see, I have like so many things in my mind that I wanna try to answer, that like any questions you might have. So there are 3 different options for the subscription. We have the sticker only subscription, in which you'll see the stickers here in a minute, but you'll get the 3-page kit, 2 quarter sheets, 2 die cuts. Then you have the washi tape only subscription, because we've received a lot of requests for just washi tape. So in that one, you get the 5 washi tape that we've been showing. And then you have one that includes all the stickers and all the washi tape. And it's pretty discounted. I want to say it's like a 44 something dollar value, and you get it for $32.95. So we tried to discount it as much as we possibly could. And now I'm going to flip you guys over and show you everything.
Okay, so here are the 2 die cuts that you get in the subscription. These are printed on a permanent vinyl sticker paper. And of course, I had to go with a little bit of books. Then these are the 2 quarter sheets, and some of the feedback we've gotten before is that there's too many stickers, so I tried to narrow that down. Here is the vertical format. I love the colors and the theme this month. I'm super excited about it. Here's the Hobonichi Cousin, which I'll be using to plan, I want to say next week, because I'm just obsessed with my Hobonichi Cousin. And then here is the journaling one, which I think I will use in my daily pages. I love using the journaling kits for that. And then here's the 5 washi tape, and you can see them all rolled out. If you have any questions about the subscription, just let me know. I hope you guys love it as much as I do.